Well, good evening, everybody, and thank you for joining us. In just a matter of days, folks flying inter island will have no more restrictions, and Hawaii residents coming home from the mainland won't need a test for COVID, assuming, and they have to prove, they're vaccinated.
But the thought of being in those long lines in closed spaces at airports and planes might make some feel a little uneasy. In a story new at 10, Max Rodriguez tells us he should still consider getting tested.
With the state ramping up efforts to get more people vaccinated, some counties say there's still a need for certain people to get tested for COVID. A COVID-19 test for peace of mind. That is the pitch from Kauai County health officials, now focused on offering free COVID testing for those who recently traveled or came in close contact with the traveler.
If you have traveled or been exposed to travelers, or if you would like to be tested for peace of mind, we continue to offer free COVID-19 testing Monday through Friday at the Convention Hall in Lihue.
The CDC continues to recommend COVID-19 testing for those who cannot physically distance to avoid exposure in areas like travel, large gatherings, or poorly ventilated indoor spaces. If you've had close contact with someone COVID positive, you should also get tested. But this does not apply to those who are vaccinated and show no symptoms. Maui Mayor Michael Victorino says nearly 2,000 people have taken advantage of the county's free COVID testing.
But also those who work in high traffic area, especially people not only in the visitor industry, but in retail, restaurants, where they have direct contact with the public.
Meanwhile, the Hawaii Lodging and Tourism Association partnered with Honolulu County and the National Kidney Foundation to offer testing for hospitality workers. Part of a statement from the HLTA president and CEO says they can utilize this any day of the week, whether they've been exposed to the virus or even if they just need peace of mind. But reaching majority vaccinations in Hawaii remains the ultimate goal.
When we touch 1.9 million shots, we will be at 70% for the whole state. So about 300,000 shots to go, and we're really getting quite close.
The CDC says fully vaccinated people will not need further COVID-19 testing or quarantine unless they develop symptoms such as a cough or a fever. Max Rodriguez, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.